A lot of furry art tutorials involves a ton of guidelines, which for some people is excellent because it helps them with proportions and teaches them good habits. If you're like me, enjoy a slightly more toony art style and don't follow the rules, I will show you exactly how to do that. While we wait for my baked beans to bake, I'm gonna make this short and sweet. The only guideline you actually need is a circle. It doesn't need to be a perfect one, it's just to direct what size your drawing will be. Then go straight to drawing the nose, just go for it. This is what determines which direction your character will be facing. Oh, and how long the muzzle will be. Now, yes, muzzle. Again, just go for it, we're not perfectionists here. Start from around halfway up the circle, around the nose, and finish slightly below the circle. Now this is the part where you can add a small temporary guideline like this, and that's to determine where the eyes will be. Now this part is completely optional, sometimes it even looks better without the guideline, but it's only to show you how squished the eye should be on the muzzle side. Now to draw the eyes is just, an arch, and then little lines to show where the lower eyelids will be. And of course, circle, circle, and boom, you have eyes. For the ears, I again just start halfway up the circle, go out a little bit, and then draw a soft corner triangle in any shape or direction I please. Then I draw a little fluff here and then the inside of the ear and voila! Now all that's left is the cheek fluff. I have two standard ways of doing that. One is zigzag, 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 and the other one is whatever shape that is. The fluff does not have to follow the original circle guideline. All it has to do is follow a curve from the bottom of the ear down to the end of the muzzle. And that's it! That's all the basic proportions you need to draw a furry headshot. Of course, you can add hair and accessories and color and shading and but this is the easiest method to get proportions right. Anyway, my baked beans are ready, so I gotta skedaddle, bye!